Hello everyone, Ray from Babco, talking about maintenance on your 4-post lift. Again, this is geared towards seasonal stuff, home stuff, so this is considered annual maintenance. I'd like to talk about some of the products that we use or can be used. There's a wide variety of that. For cables, let's talk about what's going on in a cable. It's stranded wire. So you think about when it's going over a sheave or pulley, there has to be some movement in there. So it's a really good idea to have some penetration of lube on there, not just on the outside. The outside is great for the way it rides over the pulley. That's going to have a lube there. But internally, some cables are oil impregnated that only last so long. So what we like to see is something with a bit of a creep to it. That means a penetrant. So something like this is a penetrating oil. So if you haven't done it ever, or it's been a while, not a bad idea to do this. Once again, wearing a glove is a good idea, and having a rag behind it, and you go along and you spray it with this. So what it's doing is it's not only providing a lube to the outside, but it's creeping inside. And it's important to have something do that. If you've done it once already, you can just go ahead with an external lube, like fluid film, or this one here, which is a waterproof lube. Just about anything. As a matter of fact, you could even use ATF or motor oil on the outside. But getting back to it, I like the idea of having something creep inside these cables. I think it's really helpful.